Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm in an archaeological dig site right now. It's 17th century before Christ, 1700 before Christ, so it's like 3,000 something years old, which is beautiful. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to do a quick video, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, comment down below. What are you buying? What do you think about the markets? And what do you want me to share any tickers you want me to analyze? Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in. Bitcoin is holding on this trend line, which is beautiful, but I still think it's going to most likely come down where I set the trade before. I expect that Bitcoin will come down here and get a bounce, but it's looking weak. So you can take this short-term trade for a bounce here to try and get it back to here, and then hopefully it breaks out. That is a possibility, but what I really think the safer trade is this one, coming down to 25,281. This is where I think Bitcoin, the bigger trade that I've got set up, and I showed this in the earlier videos. But again, this short-term trade is a possibility where Bitcoin will open at 26,913, stop loss 26,496, take profit at 35, risking $416 to make $8,000 without leverage. 10x leverage will be $80,000. Again, risking $400 to make $8,000 with no leverage per Bitcoin. What that means is it's each Bitcoin bought, but if you use leverage, you don't need to buy. So like the ratio is still the same. So risking 400 to make 8,000 with no leverage, 10x leverage, $80,000 of profits. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. The gray line is where the trade opens. Stop loss is 26,496 and take profit 35. The safer trade is this one. Stochastic is oversold, but it's turning down. The daily, it's heading down still. On the hourly, it's heading down as well. So I still think we're going to come down to this 26,913. Let's see how close I am. I predicted this drop. If you followed my videos, I warned everyone about this drop 3 days ago. So let's see if it comes down. I think it will come down to 26,913. Most likely, I expect it to come down to 25,281, and that's where I've got those bigger trades. And I've got these trades already set up. I've already got my trades set up. So under the video, if you want to trade, go down below under the video, sign up to Bybit. You can get a free $1,000 trade when you use that link under the video. And Bybit is the best exchange. If you lost money in FTX, if you're worried about exchanges, if you have high fees, I really like using Bybit. You also get $30,000 of bonuses when you sign up using this link. And you can take the crypto master course to learn how to do this. Now let's go. That trade's already set up. So I've got these true trades on Bitcoin set up at those two supports where I showed in an earlier video how to set up these trades. In this account, 268,000. I'm mainly holding US dollars at the moment. I've got MCRT and $13,000 worth of Uniswaps on Ethereum. Let's jump into Ethereum, see where I can set trades on Ethereum. Ethereum 1843. Straight away, I'm seeing a few bearish patterns. One, it's breaking this. You've got this kind of rising triangle. This one here, it's a rising triangle. But I can put it out. I could actually change to the support on this one. I mean, it's a rising channel, but it recently broke this channel. And it's invalidating the fourth wave. If the Ethereum comes below 1770, it'll invalidate this Elliott wave. It is very oversold. It is still climbing. It's got major support at this area. Very strong supports on Ethereum around here. 1693. That's where I would go long on Ethereum. I think it's going to... I mean, it can still be considered a fourth wave if it comes down to here. It's not below the first wave. So the Elliott wave pattern can still continue. So I would go long on Ethereum from here. Once this major support, stop loss just underneath, and take profit at the fifth wave target. So I still think there's a little bit of a run left in Bitcoin and Ethereum. 9 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $63 to make $578 per Ethereum without leverage. 10x leverage, $5,780 of profits. That's the trade that I would take on Ethereum. 1705 is where it opens. Again, if you want to trade under the video, go down below under the video here. Sign up to Bybit using that link. $30,000 worth of bonuses. I just wanted to do a quick update on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Actually, I'm going to set that Ethereum trade. I'm going to quickly set this trade. So 1705 is where it opens and 1640 is the stop loss. I'm going to set this trade on Ethereum. So I'm going to show you how I set trades on Bybit. This is a leverage trade. So I'm going to do a trade on Ethereum. I'll do a $1,000 trade with 20x leverage. So it'll become $21,000 trade. And I open this trade at 16. So the gray line is where the trade opens. 1705, stop loss 1641. 1705. and I set the take profit and the stop loss before the trade is even opened. I've already got my trade set up where it's going to take profit and where it's going to stop loss. 2281 and 1641. 1641 is the stop loss. 1641 and 2281. So I'm risking $788 to make $7,094, which is beautiful. Confirm, and that trade is now set up. And then I open long, so I'm opening long. I'm using 1,000. It's going to use, the price will open at 1705. It will be a 12 Ethereum trade using $1,000 to open a $20,000 trade. Stop loss 1641. Take profit 2281. Confirm. And those trades are set. So now I've got a trade on Bitcoin and Ethereum, 2 trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum already set up, which is beautiful. That's the trade setup. So I'll do BNB in the next trade, in the next video. Again, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do under the video, go down below, smash up this thumbs up button. If you like the video and you learned a lot here, hit that bell notification and sign up using Bybit. Down there, you get $30,000 worth of bonuses and a free $1,000 trade. And again, Crypto Mastercourse to learn how to trade and to learn technical analysis and how I set up everything. And free Telegram group. There's 8,400 of you discussing together. And that was just a quick update and quick trades on how I'm going to trade. I am in a $4,000-year-old dollar, because Bitcoin, 4,000-year-old archaeological site. So now I'm going to check it out. And remember, don't be a hobo. Don't try to be as cheap as possible. Many people try to live their lives living as cheap as possible. And that's what you can, if you really want to go really cheap, you can go $1, live under a bridge, be a super hobo. But you got to understand that every time you're trying to penny pinch, every time you're trying to save money, every time you go on that route of trying to be as cheap as possible, you're going down the route of living to be a hobo. And you can do that if you really want to go to $1 a day. But I really recommend spend that same amount of energy, that same time to go to the other extreme. Become a billionaire, make $3 million a day, figure out a way, keep trying, keep learning. There's billionaires, there's many millionaires around the world. That means there is a way. You just got to Google, use ChatGPT, learn, study, practice, build. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.